Today we have a 1965 Shelby Mustang GT350, a 1965 model which was one of the cars that were homologated for SCCA racing to take on the might of Ferrari, Jag, and the mighty Corvettes of the era. It runs as good as it looks. It has been a show winner. It sounds awesome. Let's take it for a ride and not forget, these 1965s are FIA eligible for historic motor racing. Come on. Okay, well, we're gonna fire up the 289 HiPo engine. Warm her up a little bit. Has a cool side exhaust. 4-speed Cobra steering wheel. Let's get it on the road and warm it up a little bit. Probably not the car you want to parallel park, but an icon for sure. Homologated for racing in SCCA at the time. This one has been restored. It has been a gold winner in competition. We are warmed up. Oil pressure is great, temperatures are great. Steering wheel is off to the right. Of course, that's a small item that will be sorted. We're on Blue Dot racing tires. The center mounted tack is awesome. They are just muscle. And you can understand how Shelby took them, made them lighter, and took on the might of many other car manufacturers, especially with their reliability. It's actually a really tight restoration done properly. We are looking into some of its history. It had a stack of documentation which somewhere along the way seems to have been misplaced or hopefully not lost. It is in the Shelby registry. It is well known, and it has been judged to be an exceptional example. Come up to where we do our flybys, and I'm sure you're going to like the way this one sounds from the outside. There's no reason not to. Shelby certainly had a great canvas to work from. We're going to head up to our flybys and see you in a couple minutes. Well, here we go. Let's see. Should we get on it? Safe to say she's pretty happy. Yeah, I'm pretty happy too. That was really cool. I love this thing. It's nothing like muscle. So, Jason, get out of the car, please. Get out of the car. Please get out of the car. Well, I hope you all like those flybys because I really enjoyed them. And as I said before, it goes as great as it looks. It feels as good as it looks. Goes around corners pretty well as well. The torque coming out of the corners is really pretty cool. Third gear, turn in, unwind. For any of you who have watched the movie Grand Prix, there's a great section where James Gardner is driving a GT350 from Paul Ricard, I believe, back to the hotel like a maniac. I'm not really driving like that, but you could. And it's a hot rod Mustang, man. Eligible for FIA, and they do quite well in FIA because they're extremely, extremely competitive. Take you down a couple of the twisties a little bit. It's actually really tight. I mean, I've been in many Shelbys that rattle. This one's really nice. Not that there aren't others nice, as we've always said, because this can't be the utopia, you know, oracle of GT350s, but it is certainly up there with one of the best.
Well, it's deep and clean too. That was really cool.
That was a Mustang, not a Shelby. Let's go with road racing here. We got to go with road racing here.
Okay.
I truly hope this car goes to the next person who is someone who's going to drive her rather than just show the car, because after all, that is what they were meant for. And you can cruise around all day long around town as well in what is a high-powered race car of the era. So we'll see you back at the homestead in a couple minutes. Get back there in time for a nice Saturday lunch. Jason likes to eat. I mean, you can really, we have to get him on camera a little bit more because he's, you know, he is a fit, he's got tennis player all about him, and he has played professionally for years.
Tom,
Yes, Jason?
I said thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Jason.
I'm really looking forward to that lunch. We actually got the same thing.
Did we really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lasagna.
Well, I got baked ziti, just so you know.
I got big ziti then.
Okay, well, yeah, it's not all about the foliage, huh?
What's your favorite kind of Italian food? Put
Well,
it down in the comments.
Oh, that's great. I almost feel it's wrong. It's wrong to actually talk about baked ziti or lasagna while driving a Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. I mean, it's like we should be going for hot dogs and hamburgers, little ice cream after, you know, apple pie, something that goes well with American muscle. I hope everyone watching these understand any of these cars that, you know, shouldn't have left their country of origin. They look great, but don't do much right, and to each his own. This, of course, is not one of them. Once again, absolute American muscle, ease of maintenance, tractability, roadworthiness, racing pedigree, great looks, great sounds, and back at the homestead for lunch.
Sounds good.
Once again, I have to say it, but there are times he should speak and there are times he should not.
I'm really looking forward to lunch.